If you're a nurse that's trying to figure out how they can make a little bit of extra money on the side, then stay tuned, because in this video, we're going to talk about just some great side hustles nurses can start working on today, actually. Hey guys, it's Thomas over here at nursemoneytalk.com, and today we're just going to talk about some great side hustles that nurses can get involved in if they're just wanting to earn anywhere from just a little bit of extra cash, maybe to a lot of extra cash if they're trying to save up for a vacation or whatever else that they're, whatever else that you're trying to save up for. Before I get started, I want to invite you, if you find this video helpful, to go ahead and share it, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button so you are alerted whenever we have a new video that shows up. Now, let's get started. So right out of the gate, the easiest side hustle a nurse is going to have is just the ones that involves pretty much doing more of what a nurse already does, which is pretty much working at hospital jobs. And there are definitely some great options for that. So for example, you can do home health, infusion nurse, transcriptionist, seasonal flu clinic aide, or seasonal flu clinic nurse. You're looking, potentially a CPR teacher, and even like maybe a dialysis nurse. And those are great jobs to get into. They're, especially as far as side hustles are concerned, because for a lot of those jobs that I listed, they really do allow a lot of great flexibility in terms of nurses who, aren't necessarily wanting to work full time and maybe just trying to pick up, some hours here and there. And you can definitely see find out more information about the jobs, like, job description or whatnot, or see which one of those jobs are available in your area by going to the job board at nursemoneytalk.com/jobs. Now that those are pretty much out of the way, let's talk a little bit about some of the side hustles that I've seen nurses doing that aren't at times very obvious. And so the first one is, the old starting a blog. Now I throw that one out there because I just feel like I kind of have to. I will say this. Can you make money blogging? Sure. Is it something that's going to be quick or going to happen overnight? Nope. It's going to take a good while to get any of that done, to like just actually start making money. And there is kind of a pretty steep learning curve with that as well. So, but that is an option if it's something that, you're just looking at more so long term and not you need the money short term right now. The next one is being a content writer, a freelance writer. And so this one is where you'll go and, you'll pretty much write articles as a nurse, especially you're looking at like medical related articles, probably for either, you could be looking at publications, journals, maybe even, blog sites, and you'll get paid for that. Some of the things that I like about that job is that it's fair, it can be fairly easy to get into. It gives you a lot of options and a lot of flexibility in terms of, when you can work, because you'll get an assignment and then you'll have your due date for whenever that project is due. And so, whether you want to work at it late at night or early in the morning, it's pretty much up to you as long as the assignment is completed at, on time. So one of the things that I don't necessarily like about it, or can be hard, is that it can be slow going until you really pick up a book of clients, or you really have like a, kind of like some examples and a portfolio, if you will, that you can then show off to potential clients. So there's that. The next one is being a tutor. And, so being a tutor, so this could be for nursing school or for any other school for that matter of fact. And so this was really good. and can give a lot of options for nurses who are just wanting to pick up some jobs here and there, considering, you could be looking at anywhere from $30 to $40 to $50 an hour, just really depending on what subject that you're teaching. Next one is clinical nurse adjunct. And so this could be either for clinicals, it could be for an online nursing program. And these are really great. I've considered doing these in the past myself, and they're really good for just kind of for picking up very, maybe 3 or 6 hours a week. And, that there's an endpoint, since, you might be committed for, X number of hours a week just for that semester. And then after that semester is over with, then you can kind of look and see if you want to keep going or do something else. Next one is a health coach. And this one is very similar to the freelance writer, in the sense of it can take a while to kind of to build a book of clients. But once you get going, it is one that gives you a lot of flexibility. And I have seen not even just nurses doing this. I've seen like registered dietitians and so on and so forth actually doing this. And this actually gives you a lot of flexibility in terms of what you want to do with it, and how you want that, kind of like the direction you want that business to go. So definitely something to check out and find more information about it if that interests you. The next one I'm going to mention is setting up an Etsy shop. And this is one that I actually was very surprised when I've seen some nurses doing this. And you can set up an Etsy shop just really the sky's the limit in terms of what you can set up the shop for. It can be something that's potentially nursing related or health related, or it can be something that's not even remotely close to nursing or health related. Whether it's for knitting, building, workshops or whatever the case is. At times I've seen people build like an entire shop just based around a side, like just a random hobby that they're really into. The last thing I'm going to mention is one that I don't think enough people really think about. And I get some people probably just don't even want to go down this route. And that's actually renting a room, for an Airbnb. And so if you have an extra room, maybe you have, maybe you have a huge, lot, or you have like a huge land, and you have kind of a separate, like a living area that's actually separate from the house, kind of like an apartment, if you will. Maybe consider renting that out to somebody through Airbnb, and that could be a really great way to actually get extra cash for something that you honestly just have sitting there that you're not really making use of. So that's pretty much it. If you have any other thoughts on just kind of like some side hustles that you've seen nurses do that I didn't mention, go ahead and put it in the comment section below, because I'd be really interested to just kind of see what all nurses are doing to try to earn extra money that's really besides like the typical picking up extra nursing shifts or picking up overtime or whatever the case is. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.